Craving a delicious hot dog? Take it up a notch by adding sauerkraut. It's the perfect crunchy, tangy complement to that juicy frank and comforting bun. Here is how to cook sauerkraut for hot dogs. First, saute the cut onions with some butter or olive oil in a large skillet or a saucepan over medium heat for 5 minutes. Then, add the sugar for a touch of sweetness, black pepper to add some depth and complexity to the sauerkraut, and fennel seeds to enhance the flavor, and stir to combine. Keep sauteing the onions until they are almost caramelized. Then add the drained sauerkraut, sweet pickle relish, and 1/3 cup of water and allow the sauerkraut to simmer on medium-low heat for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Now, add the hot dog sausages or frankfurters on top of the sauerkraut and cover the pan with the lid and simmer for another 15 minutes until all the water is gone and the sausages are nice and hot. And voila! Your sauerkraut is ready. Serve with warm, soft hot dog buns and add mustard or any other of your favorite condiments and a generous amount of sauerkraut and enjoy. I have left the link in the description below the video for the full recipe and some more tips and tricks for cooking sauerkraut. Check it out now.